Tubong Salcedo, Ilocos Sur si Jasmine pero sa Baguio City na niya napiling magtrabaho. Gustuhin man niyang makauwi, malaking hamon naman sa kanya ang trabaho at distansya ng uuwian.
Madalang lang po.
Madalang. Pero
Yes.
kung minsan pag mahal na araw, mga ganon, mga buwan.
Ay, oo, ganun. Mostly ganun lang ako umuwi. Kung may mga occasionally.
Pero posibleng hindi na ito maging problema sa mga susunod na taon dahil sa planong pagkakaroon ng biyahe ng tren mula Baguio hanggang La Union. Ito ang iprinesenta ng isang Filipino-Spanish company sa Executive Legislative Agenda Meeting ng Pamahalang Lungsod.
So it would be in any point in La Union. This is subject to study, depending on where is the best location, depending on the orography, right? And then this is what will be studied by our study.
Ang naturang proyekto ay ikakabit sa itinatayo ngayong North-South Commuter Railway Project ng Department of Transportation. Sa ngayon, itinatayo na ang riles ng rutang Makati to Clark, Pampanga na inaasahang matatapos sa taong 2024. Plano itong palawigin hanggang sa San Fernando City, La Union at Lawag, Ilocos Norte.
There are two different ways how to approach railways in mountainous terrain. And this is one of the things that we need really to study. So we can go for a conventional railway, normal railway, and the problem that we have with normal railway is that there is a limit on the maximum slope that they can drive. There is a limit on that because, as you know, railway is like steel against steel, so it needs to have a certain friction. So, and if the slope is too big, the train will just slide down. So it cannot manage to come up to the mountain.
Pero bago ang pagtatayo, magsasagawa muna ang grupo ng konsultasyon sa probinsya ng La Union at Benguet na dadaanan ng riles. Higit sa lahat, kailangan din ang feasibility study. Dito ibabase kung kayang maisakatuparan ang proyekto.
Because if it's following the Cannon Road, will be some municipalities, or if it's going to Arengay, will be different ones. So once we have that clear, then of course part of the feasibility study will be to do consultations with the involved municipalities in that specific corridor.
Naghayag naman ng suporta dito ang pamahalang lungsod ng Baguio.
As I said, it would be very nice if we can look into the feasibility study also for the Clark to La Union, because that will connect our city of Baguio to the international line.
Ikinatuwa rin ito ng Department of Transportation, Cordillera.
If there's no expense from the city of Baguio, and this will be funded through these proposals, especially if it is an ODA, it's of no cost to the government. It would be a very good development. At least we have in the pipeline an alternate mode of transportation coming from Manila to Baguio, which is, after all, by rail. It's a lot cleaner.
Hindi pa matiyak ang bilis ng biyahe at gastos ng proyekto na malalaman pa lamang sa isasagawang feasibility study. Makikipag-ugnayan pa ang kumpanya sa mga LGUs sa La Union at Benguet kung payag ang mga ito sa nasabing proyekto. Charles Nicolimon para sa Luzon Headlines.